Hi, my name is Ajay and I will be going over some basic text functions in Excel in this video. The first one I will be going over is the concatenate function. The concatenate function in Excel will allow you to join two text strings together and make them into one. So, for example, I have a string which has the word Scottsdale, and then I have another string with a comma and Arizona. I want to join these two together, so I would use the equal sign, concatenate, and then put the two strings separated with a comma, press enter, and there I just joined these two strings together using the concatenate function. I do want to add that you can also use the concatenation operator, which is the ampersand sign in Excel, to join two or more strings together like that. Then we have the len function, which is essentially a length function. It will allow you to measure how many characters you have in a string. So allow me to demonstrate. len, start of parentheses, select the string that you want, close the parentheses, enter, and I just found out that there are 14 characters in the string. You don't have to refer to a specific cell. You can also specify a text string in the function itself. So let me explain. If I wanted to measure the length of the word Scottsdale, I could put that in double quotes and it would take it as a text string and give me the number of characters in that. So length len, start of parentheses, put the string that you want in the double quotes, close the parentheses, and the function will give you the number of characters in that string. Next one I want to cover is the left function, which allows you to extract part of the string from the left side. So allow me to demonstrate that. If I wanted to extract Scott from Scottsdale, I could use the left function and specify that I want the first 5 characters from the word Scottsdale. There you go. I just extracted Scott out of Scottsdale. The right function is very similar, and what I'm going to show you is that I am going to extract the word Dale from the right hand side of the word Scottsdale. So Dale is 4 characters, so I will ask Excel to take 4 characters out of the string from the right. There you go, we just got Dale. If you wanted to go in the middle and extract some characters out of a string, you could specify that by telling Excel where to start extracting. So in this case, I want to extract the word COT out of Scottsdale. So COT starts from the second character. The first character is S, the second character is C. So I would specify start from the second character and extract 3 characters. Close the parentheses. There you go. We just extracted Scott from Scottsdale. Now, if I wanted to search for a specific text inside another longer text string, I can use the find function. So the find function allows you to look for a specific text, which in this case I'm looking for TSD. I put it in double quotes and then I specify which string I want it to look within. I don't have to specify the start, but I could. It's an optional argument. And it just told me that TST starts at the 5th character. So the next function I want to demonstrate is the text function, which allows you to format a number or a date into a specific format that you specify. So we use the text function, start the parentheses, select the cell that we want to format, and then use a format text, which in this case I'm going to use a dollar format. 0.00, close the parentheses, enter. So we just converted this number into a crude dollar amount. And the last function I want to cover is the trim function. The trim function essentially cleans out blank spaces, both leading and trailing. So for example, if I had a string where I had blank blank Scottsdale and then a few more blanks, now I have leading as well as trailing blank spaces in the string. If I use the trim function, it may almost seem like it didn't do anything, although you can tell that it took the leading blank spaces out, but in fact it actually cleaned out both the leading and the trailing blank spaces. So to actually show you that there were more characters before than after using the function, let's use the length function to calculate the number of characters in this string. Before, we see we have 14, and then after we use the trim function, we have 10. So there were 4 blank spaces that the trim function cleaned out for us. And that's all for this video. Have a great day.